Today I'm going to present the investment decision support tool as my final project for CS5. This tool is powered by Gemini, and this is only for educational and informational purposes. It is recommended to always perform your own research and consider additional factors before making investment decisions. When we start the program, we will be prompted to choose from one of the two functions. So here we can see we can move the cursor up and down to choose which function we want to use. So the first function is a fundamental analysis of a stock ticker. This is useful when the user already has a stock ticker in mind. If we choose this function, the user will be prompted to provide a ticker, and here I entered Apple. So when we provide Apple, the data will be pulled from Yahoo Finance, including the main fundamental metrics. These metrics will be fed into Gemini using a simple prompt, which is the requirement to introduce the name and industry of the company and summarize the fundamental analysis within 7 to 10 sentences. And the analysis from Gemini will be printed on the screen here. We also ask Gemini to provide if generally the stock is a good or bad investment decision. Also, we provide here a disclaimer that this is not a financial advice. So if we don't have any stock ticker in mind, we can run the program again and choose the second option. When we choose this option, 500 S&P stock will be pulled from a list, and this list will be provided to Yahoo Finance to pull the RSI data. The RSI will be calculated based on today and yesterday closed price, and from this information we scan all 500 stock and find the buy signal from the stocks which has the RSI below 30 yesterday but RSI above 30 today. And these stocks, after the scan is completed, will be printed on the screen. There will be also a recommendation that the user should also look into additional information, as the scanning here is only a buy signal based on one metric, and the user should look into additional information to have a better buying decision.